There are various real-world problems that involve us needing to multiply and divide integers. So here's a couple of examples. There's many more. The temperature drops by 2 degrees for 4 hours. What is the total drop in temperature? So here, if I have a drop in temperature, the drop kind of suggests to me that I should be considering this as a negative, okay? And the total drop, I'd expect my answer to be written as a negative number as well. For 4 hours, I have 4 hours time elapsing over 4 hours. That makes sense to be a positive. So if I'm dropping by 2 degrees for 4 hours, I could represent that with a multiplication statement. Okay, negative 2 times positive 4. Okay, so dropping by 2 degrees for 4 hours. So let's use our rules here. Negative times a positive is a negative. 2 times 4 is 8. So the total drop in temperature was negative 8 degrees. Another case here where integers come up is when we're dealing with money, right? When we borrow, you sometimes think about that as a negative. When you owe money, you kind of think of that as a negative as well, right? When when you're paid money, you kind of think of that as being a positive. So here we're borrowing $5 a day to buy lunch. Joan is, and she now owes $65. So how many days, I mean, again, how many days time is elapsing? We'd expect our answer to come out to be positive, right? So how many days did Jane borrow the $5? So here we can model this with a division statement. Okay, so she now owes $65. So we can represent that with a negative 65. And we're dividing that by negative 5, okay, because she borrowed 5 every day. So negative 65 divided by negative 5 gives me a positive 13. So that tells me she borrowed it for 13 days. So that's just a couple of quick examples of how we use integers in everyday real-world problems. There are many more. Good luck with the rest of the problems that you see. And just remember to just assign some negatives and positives where they make sense, and you'll be fine with these problems. Okay, best of luck. Thanks for listening.